In this video, I'll show you how to get dark mode on DeepSeek. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Dark mode on DeepSeek reduces eye strain during extended use and enhances focus by providing a more comfortable viewing experience. It also saves battery life on devices with OLED screens. To begin, launch the DeepSeek application on your device. Once the app is open, check if it's currently in dark mode. If it isn't, look for the horizontal bar icon located in the top left corner of the screen. When you click on this icon, it will open a left panel that displays all your previous chat histories. At the bottom of this panel, you will find your profile name. Click on your profile name, and this will take you to the profile section of the app. In this section, you will see an option labeled Color Scheme. Under this option, there will be 3 different choices available for you to pick from. Simply select the dark option, and the entire app interface will instantly switch to dark mode. With this simple action, you'll have successfully enabled dark mode, giving the app a darker, more comfortable appearance for your eyes, especially in low-light environments. That's all there is to it. You've now made the switch to dark mode on DeepSeek, and the app will remain in this setting until you decide to change it again. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.